Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I will be attempting to get the wheels done because if you guys watched the previous video, I actually found the special lug nut socket to get them off. So I took off the one tire and then the other one's in the back. So I'm gonna go back to the same tire shop and get them replaced. Then the plan is I come home, grab the Infinity, load it up with the other two tires, go back to that shop, get that taken care of. Then I have a few errands to run and possibly go to the auction. So again, should be another busy day, so stick around and we will have fun. Made it to the shop. It's like 5 minutes from my place. That's why I decided to come here. And it doesn't look like they're too busy, so we should get done quickly. Interesting stuff going on here. The wheels from this Challenger are going on the Charger. A direct swap. They're the old ones. Yeah, look at this, pretty bad dent. Here are the new ones. I guess we'll see how they're gonna look on the car once they go on there, but there they are. I'm back at my place. And look at what I noticed. Last time I got filled up at a Chevron, they broke it. So dumb. Like, how can you break something like this? Anyways, there's the Infinity sitting all awkwardly. I feel like the wheels it had on it before are gonna look a lot better than the wheels I got for it. But I got some drilled and slotted rotors, I think they are. So I'm gonna take out the new tires and install them. First one is done. Actually looks pretty good. I do like the look of deep dish a little bit more, but this will do just fine. Quick walk around. I got the front ones installed. I got the rear two wheels, one in the front, one in the back, and I'm going back to the lot. I want to show you guys something. The headlights, I think they're pretty alright. I want to see what you guys think. If they're on. Yep, they're on, but you can't really see them that well. I guess I'll have to take another video once it's darker out. I need gas for this car, so we're gonna do that and then go back to the shop and have them replace the rear two tires or wheels. Quick gas trip. There it is. Putting in 20 bucks. So I don't need a lot, but the gas light is on. It's almost done. 20 bucks got us almost half a tank. That's pretty awesome. With the custom exhaust, I'm gonna take advantage of the manual mode, which is slap shift, if that's what you were to call it. But I'm gonna enjoy it. Made it back. Here we go. Making progress. I got the wheels replaced and I met two Russian dudes. Very interesting, but like super awesome guys. Very interesting. Why? Because one, the guy said he wants to buy my wheels. I told him one has a dent in it. And he said that's fine. He owns like a dealer lot and repairs wheels. So he's gonna come pick him up within an hour or so. I'll give him a call if he doesn't. And the other thing, so they got 4 used tires on some wheels that they brought in, and then they covered an old man's tab, and then they covered another dude's tab, which was like 506 bucks. So I'm assuming they spent like 800-900 bucks in that shop covering, you know, their own bill and 2 other gentlemen's tabs, which is super awesome. Mad respect to them for doing that. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe once they return, I'll get them on video so you guys see them But right now I'm gonna run to UPS, drop off a few packages for my wife, and I'm going back home and I'm gonna start cleaning up the Jeep. And on a side note, this thing in manual mode sounds so wonderful. I'm gonna have to get some exterior sound clips, but it sounds so great. I love it. There we go. New wheels are on. Still gotta get that bumper replaced. But now I'm gonna clean this thing up after I take the old wheels out. And the whole fam is out. I'm gonna maybe do like a before and after. There's a little mold here that you guys could see. Interior, aside from like this stuff and then the floor, is pretty clean. But I'm gonna toss out a whole bunch of random stuff and then wipe it down, vacuum it, and I'll need to take it through a car wash. Look at that. Super dirty. I've been hard at work. Looks much better. So I have to wipe down and kind of clean up the center console. Trunk looks a lot better. Took out the spare. But I'm almost done and then I'm gonna go through the car wash. Here we go. I got the Jeep cleaned up. Gonna take it through the car wash, take some pictures of it, and hopefully list it for sale within an hour or so. I got 1% battery left and we're going through the car wash, so hopefully. I got the Jeep cleaned up and all of these wheels are in there. I'm trying to be very careful, and then it seems like a wheel just sat and it banged. It startled me a little bit. But yeah, everything is free back there. Nothing is tied down, so I'm trying to be very careful not to make extra noise or damage them. But I'm about 2 minutes away from the guy's place. Just like that, the wheels are sold. Guy is super awesome, came through on his word. Quick sale. I'm gonna save his number because he has a lot of guys that detail well, do a whole bunch of that stuff, which I think will be very useful for me. He'll have business, I'll get my stuff fixed up and done. Very happy that I met this dude today. I think for today, this is actually gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit of the car adventure. You guys get an idea of what happens, not day to day, but this is my life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, stick around for more, and I will see you guys in another video.